Hi there, I'm Paris Boynes with Greater Richmond Fit for Kids, where we make healthy fun. I'm one of the learning garden educators at two Richmond public middle schools, and my goal is to inspire our youth to develop healthy eating habits through planting, growing, harvesting, and most importantly, tasting. In this video, I'll be going over the basic anatomy of a plant. Now, there are several parts to a basic plant structure. You have the roots, the stems, the leaves, flowers, and fruits. So let's start with the roots. The roots can be found at the bottom of each plant. Now with vegetables, their roots take in water and nutrients, which is the combination of food and energy by moving from the soil to the surface of the plant roots. Now all of these nutrients must be able to cross from the outside to the inside of the plant roots. So when the nutrients get inside of the plant, the nutrients can store lots of sugars and carbs and begin to move upward to other parts of the plant. Roots are the foundation, so they provide great security in being anchored into the ground. Now many people believe plants get much of its nutrients from the soil, but it's really the sun that provides the majority of the nutrients. Alright, so moving upward, the next part of the plant are the stems, and the stems can be located popping out above the soil. The stems allow for the water and the nutrients to flow about, and it provides structure as plants grow by supporting other parts of the plant, such as the leaves, flowers, and the fruits. This movement happens with the help of two important cells. Xylem cells move water upward from the roots, and phloem cells move nutrients downward from the roots. So attached along the stem you can find the leaves. Most leaves end up capturing the light and move air and water through another important process called photosynthesis. It's just a fancy name for how a plant makes its food. Plants use energy from the sun, water, and carbon dioxide to produce sugar known as glucose, which is the main food source for plants. Now all these elements are definitely needed in order for a plant to survive. Although two separate things, we're finally at the part of the plant where I think is the most visually appealing, and that's the flowers and the fruits. Flowers are indeed cool because they will reproduce and start the entire process over again. Flowers make seeds, and they have other reproductive parts such as the pistil and the stamen, and those are just the female and the male parts needed for a flower to reproduce. Now fruits, they're the developed ovary part of the flower that becomes the protective case for the seed, and these seeds hold all the information for creating new plants. The main difference to keep in mind is that flowers are the reproductive organ and fruits are the seed-bearing structure. And there you have it. That's the basic anatomy of a plant. Be sure to check out my other video where I'll discuss what type of seeds to plant, along with other videos from our Greater Richmond Fit for Kids educators. Happy and healthy eating!